blonde hair, tight body with a tan. Let me break it down for you, help you understand.
Hi everyone. So today, as you can see from the title, we are doing a declutter. We are right now in my bathroom. So I'm just gonna open it. We're just gonna. It's crazy. I'm just gonna let you know it's crazy. You ready? Boom. So as you can see, it is very messy. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Oops. There's even more here. So we have a lot to do. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna do this side on this other side right here. I have more stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in this video, but also this needs to be decluttered as well. So this is the mess we are dealing with, and there's a lot that needs to be organized, a lot that needs to be decluttered. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm just gonna walk with you. We have a lot of tools. So we have this guy. Oh my god. This is a water pick. It's a water floss. So I'm keeping it, but this needs to be organized. Let's take out this guy. This one I'm actually going to be exchanging it. This completely stopped working. It only works for literally like 2 seconds and then it stops working. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross skincare water mist thing. Yeah, I use this for masks, and I don't have the box, but I have it approved from Sephora to exchange it. So I'm going to take this out and exchange it because this doesn't work. I have a bunch of bamboo toothbrushes, so those are obviously staying here. I have a bunch of unopened stuff. I have like a bunch of backups here. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is the Cup of Warmth body lotion. I'm keeping this formula 1006 3 times Sublime 3-in-1 Blackhead wash, scrub, and mask. I use this. I'm keeping it. I have my contacts in here, obviously keeping those. I don't know what this is doing in here. This should be in the kitchen. These are the thing. Okay, with bamboo toothbrushes, here's the thing. You use them, right? But then you have to get pliers to pull them out, and I've been just too lazy, so I need to do that. And I don't know if it's just me, but these like bamboo toothbrushes don't last me. Like, they last for a week and then they get all frayed up. I'm like, why? Why? I have another toothbrush. This can go in the garbage. Alright, I have this Ulta smoothie body wash shampoo kind of thing, but I only use this to wash my body. This is a backup. Let's see. I'm not really getting rid of much, but I feel like as we get more in the back, I'm going to be getting rid of stuff. This has a bunch of contact cases, so I'm keeping that, obviously. We have my shaver, keeping that. We have essential oils, keeping those. We have a charger. We have a cleansing oil. We have, ooh, this is my favorite cleanser. This is my Holy Grail cleanser. This is the Yes to Tomatoes Detoxifying Charcoal Cleanser. I freaking love this. I repurchased this. This is my second bottle. Keeping that. That's a backup. Oh my god. I have this diffuser, but I don't think I'm going to keep this in the bathroom. This and my essential oils are going to be going to my room. We have body butter. Keeping that. We have, this is actually old. I'm tossing this. Ooh, yay. Hair regrowth treatment for women. Hooray. We have sponges that need to be washed. What the heck? Needs to be washed. I'm gonna put those aside. I'm gonna wash those. They shouldn't even be there. This just fell out. Keeping this. This is also a repurchase. These two together, the best combo for face wash and cleanser. I love these two together. This I'm tossing. This actually broke on me. This broke. This used to be amazing to dry my brushes. I didn't use it to wash it, but I used it to dry it. And it broke on me. But it was good while it lasted, but I just wish it lasted a little bit longer before it broke on me for some strange reason. Hair tool. I want to eventually put all of my hair stuff in my room, but until I get new furniture, some of these things have to stay in here. Lip scrub keeping, another sponge keeping, another hair growth serum. This I'm keeping. Oh my god. I'm not getting rid of anything. This can go. This is old. Hair stuff. I have my own space for you. Headband. This is hair leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna put you in the side. Ooh, I use this to dry my brushes. This can go in the garbage. That's the case for that. I have lashes. Beautiful. They need to be washed. We have a broken mirror. Garbage. We have body butter. I will keep. We have a sample. I'll keep that. Hair clip. I'll keep that. Oh, I should put this here because I was missing that clip. We have activated charcoal for face masks. Keeping that. We have. I've been looking all over for this. I thought it was out of shampoo. Dang. Well, I have a shampoo now. This is literally the best thing in the world. It's makeup brush cleanser, cleaner, not cleanser. Keeping that, of course. I have more hair serum, more cleansing oil. I have another cleanser. This is a hair care hair product. Yes. All of these cotton balls. I will have a place for you in your home that needs to be organized. I have a body lotion. This is literally the best thing in the world. This is the Kojindo Spa Water. The best thing ever. I actually use these to refill my smaller bottle, this one. So I just refilled it recently, a couple days ago. So all the way over here. There's this one. So I just kept the box, but I shouldn't. So I'm gonna toss the box, keeping that. I always buy these during the VIB sale, and I just buy two. Ah! So this one is unopened, but I'm gonna take out the box. Best thing to do, they are super duper expensive, but the best thing to do, honestly, get them during the 20% off VIB sale, and you're all good for the rest of the year, man. We have an empty toothpaste. Why? I do not know. Do not ask me why. Okay, we have my blow dryer. Oh my god. Why do I have random junk? Sponge cleaners, sample. We have a mask. Oh shoot, I don't know if this is still good. It's kind of old. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna toss it, but I'm gonna keep the spatula. Another cleansing gel. Yeah, I'm kind of good with cleansing gels for a long while. Ooh, this one. This is kind of old. Like, this is like probably 2 years old. But it still works. I didn't use it. I'm gonna keep it. Whatever. We have pads. Beautiful. We have instructions. Oh, snap. We have instructions. I guess I'll keep this just in case if they want the instructions. But I don't have the box. But they said I could still return it. We have random towels. Don't ask me why I have random towels. I just have, okay? Oh, another sponge. I've been literally... Ew. I have been looking for these brushes. I could have sworn I had more makeup brushes. Over here. We have more contacts. Aww. Ooh. We have body scrub. Keeping that. Keeping a lot of stuff. Dang. We have more sponges. Oh my god. All of the possible flosses, toothpaste, toothbrushes, more floss. Oh my god. I'm literally set for life, guys. We have this bag. Another junky bag. For no apparent reason. Ew, I don't even want to know how old this is. This is disgusting. We have a spray bottle. Why? Do not ask me why. I have a spray bottle. We have an air freshener that looks disgusting. disgusting garbage. We have a back scratcher. Why? I don't know. Alright, this is heavy and disgusting. We have very old Windex wipe. Like, I don't remember it being this yellow. This is disgusting. We have an all-nighter spray. Cool. We have more hair serum. Ooh, does anyone remember this? Indian Healing Clay Mask. Keeping it that. These guys. We have a very dirty spatula. Put that in the sink to wash. We have another brush cleaner. More skincare stuff that I'm keeping. So this wasn't really a very successful declutter because most of these things were like backups and unopened skincare stuff. But now that I know, I took everything out. Now I know what I have. So I'm gonna clean this up. I don't know if that's normal. Is that normal? Alright. I just wiped everything. So now I'm just gonna, I guess, try to organize everything, make it so I can see everything. So I don't really know how I'm gonna organize this, but we're just gonna figure it out right now. Let's go ahead and tackle the next section. Alright, this is the next section over here. Not gonna be a lot of decluttering, but we're gonna see. So all of these here are basically my everyday skincare products. So I'm not gonna be decluttering. Yeah, but this is a hair care product. I'm hoping to have hair stuff. I was hoping hair stuff would have their own section. So we're just gonna move on to the second one. This I guess I'll put here. I'll just put it aside. This I'm gonna toss. This is old. Definitely needs to go. Ew, there's like liquid in here. No, this is garbage. Alrighty, this is dry shampoo. I don't know where I'm gonna put hair stuff, but for now I'll just put them aside. You know what? This can be my hair thing, my hair section. There we go. But this I'm gonna keep. This is a mask. I'm gonna keep this mask. We have another mask. This is a peeling mask. Keeping that. All of these guys are staying. These are hair care products. I love them. Use them all the time. This I'm keeping. Use them all the time. You guys saw the full-size Cinema Secrets one. I actually just pour in when this is running out because I just like the spray because the big one doesn't have a spray or anything. It's just like, just dump it. This guy I use, keeping that. This is empty. This is old. This is disgusting. It's just old. This is, bye. Another hair product. This is argan oil, keeping that. We have a sleeping mask, keeping that. Oh, this is in a travel container that actually no, this is my moisturizer. That's like probably empty actually. These I'm actually gonna toss. They're old. It's just time. I've had these for like maybe 3 or 4 years. Another skincare product. Gonna keep that. This, goodbye. This sucks. This is the Botanical Sunscreen Mineral Lotion Non-Grease. It sucks because it leaves a white cast. I don't need a white cast. No. This is very, very old. This is, no. It's garbage. We emptied it out, so I'm hoping I could have just skincare products, hair care products, but I think I'm gonna have to do it like half-half. So I think I'm gonna put hair stuff here. And then skincare here. Because I like skincare stuff, like maybe masks and whatnot. I'm actually gonna put this in here. I use this every day, so I'm just gonna put this in here. And then this is here. Oh, you're kidding me. More stuff here. This I'll keep it, I guess, but this needs cleaning, definitely. Yeah, I don't know what is up with me. All right, this is more skincare. Ooh, this one, I'm gonna open this guy up. I don't use it because the box is still here, because I'm too lazy to open the box. But this is a repurchase. I love this. If you have a dry scalp, it is amazing. It works wonders. So this I am keeping. This can go. This is old. All right, so I pushed everything aside. We have more cotton pads. We have a hair mask. I'll put this in here. This is old. This is a hand cream. This is brush thingy. I completely forgot about you. Oh my god. And then I don't use electric toothbrushes anymore, so that is also garbage. I think I did a pretty good job, right? Woohoo! Well, that wasn't really changed, but from here, yeah, I did. Woo! The declutter part was kind of a fail, but I managed to reorganize everything, so I feel so freaking accomplished. Yes. If you want more videos from me, please give it a thumbs up and to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.